Understanding the phrase, pine for something. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and expressive phrase, pine for something. It's a phrase rich in emotion and one that's incredibly useful in various contexts. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to help you incorporate it into your own English conversations. To pine for something means to deeply long for or miss something that you love or desire, especially when it's out of your reach. The feeling is often tinged with sadness or a sense of longing that's more intense than merely missing or wanting something. This phrase comes from the word pine, which originally means to suffer or waste away from longing or grief. Much like how trees seem to stand still and silent, enduring through the seasons. Understanding where phrases come from can often help us remember and use them more effectively. The term pine is derived from the Latin word pinere, which means to suffer or languish. Over time, it evolved in the English language to describe a deep, yearning emotion, often associated with absence or loss. This historical context adds a layer of depth to its usage and reflects the enduring nature of such emotions. Pine for something is typically used in more formal or literary contexts but can also be found in everyday conversation. Here are a few examples to help illustrate its use. She pined for her homeland, missing the familiar streets and faces. Even years later, he still pined for his first love, wondering what might have been. After moving abroad, I found myself pining for the simple joys of my hometown, like the local bakery's fresh bread. These sentences show how the phrase can express a deep, emotional longing for something absent or lost. To use pine for something effectively, use it to express deep emotional longing, not just a casual desire for something. Combine it with personal or evocative details to enhance the emotional impact of your sentence. Remember its literary or formal tone. While it's beautiful in personal writing or speech, it might be too heavy for casual, everyday conversations. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, pine for something. We hope this video has illuminated the depth and beauty of this expression, enhancing your English vocabulary and enabling you to convey feelings of deep longing more eloquently. Remember, language is not just about communication, it's also about expression. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.